Hey guys, just want to come on here and review today's trade. Today was Friday, February the 13th, and as always I'm going to start on the daily chart and what I was looking at. So I've been looking at this weekly sell side coming into today, and I also noticed previous day low and previous day high. So these were the daily chart levels I was looking at. Now I'll drop down to hourly chart. So I have been trading 9:30 to 10:30, but as of today I think I'm gonna refine it even further just to the silver bullet window. That was what worked for me this week. So we had 8:30 news. We displaced higher, took these highs, and then rejected this new day opening gap. Let me get perfect. Okay, so this morning I was looking at the open. We took buy side, similar setup to yesterday. First presentation, fair value gap short. I took that short, got stopped out. We ran that high and then displaced through our short, flipped first presentation, and made a long into new day opening gap. So we made this long, fair value gap at 50% here. Now here's where I'm going to be honest with you guys, no hiding, just pure what happened today. So I went short, got stopped out, no biggie, and then I went long here. You can see that went long 950, but then we made this. I noticed we swept that M15 high. The bodies were kind of respecting new day opening gap, and then we made like a short while we were in this long. So I kind of just got out in this BISI here, or the SIBI. I went long here, got out at that SIBI, and then I was like, okay, I'm just gonna wait for 10 to 11 and see what's going on. And then that's where I'll pop on the silver bullet window. So again, I'm still using regular trading hours and first presentation, but now I think I'm just gonna use all this for information and then, you know, treat 10 to 11 as continuation. And then 10 to 11, we had this market structure shift and a BISI here, model 2022. I went long here, stop at the low, targeted that high right there for 2R, and then I left runners for that. Went long there, took some off there, and I actually didn't get to capture that M15 high. I trailed my stop loss to there. So today was a tricky day. Don't beat yourself up. Just notice how we're gravitating around new day opening gap. I mean, we had that big range yesterday, which was great, but now you have to look at today and be like, okay, well, we had that long range day, first presentation failed, and we're just gravitating back and forth in here. And to be honest, today was tricky. Again, don't beat yourself up. I'm gonna do a lot of back testing this week, but I want to see if 10 to 11 fits me better, or, you know, still trade 9:30 to 10:30. Because I was also looking at this high. I don't know if I captured it. Nope. But when I lost that first presentation short, I was long here, stop below that low, and it hit 2R, but I would have probably targeted, you know, that hourly high there. But nonetheless, the only thing I'm not happy about my performance today was taking 3 trades. Yeah, going short here, losing that first presentation, I didn't really give a shit. But once I got long at 950 and then I got out at this short, when we made this M1 short, that's when I was like, okay, I need to wait. I might either need to log off or we're seeking and destroying. But 10 to 11, that's when price was clear to me, and I took that no hesitation because I think this is where my model lies. 10 to 11, lit 930 to 10, do what it has to do. The opening range, first presentation, the opening range. So I'm going to do a lot of back testing this weekend, but until then, good luck and good trading.